Hello, I'm Sam with jbugs.com. Come kick it with us while I install some speaker kick panels. Our preferred mounting place for front speakers in a VW Beetle is in a set of front speaker kick panels. The speaker position is great for sound clarity, and the speakers aren't in the way of window cranks like they would be if they were mounted in the round holes on the doors. Additionally, there are no provisions for running speaker wires into the door, so it really isn't a good place to mount a speaker. Speaker kick panels are available for Beetles, Super Beetles, Karmann Ghias, and Type 3s. They all install in a similar method, although the final fitment will vary and is dependent on the person installing the panels. We're installing these panels in our 1971 Super Beetle restoration that we've already run the stereo and speaker wiring in. We start by checking the fit first to get an idea of where we want to install the panel. We can move it forward or back and up or down on the fender well, but until we have the speaker in place, we won't know for certain where it can be fit. Using a mock-up speaker for testing, we check the fit of the position on the speaker and then the speaker grill on our panel. We're going to cut the hole for our speaker with an adjustable hole saw, but a jigsaw or standard size hole saw in the correct size would work as well. The panel is made of fiberglass, so make sure to wear the appropriate safety gear to protect your eyes and lungs. Once the hole is cut, we can temporarily mount our speaker so that we can check the fit with the speaker in place. We use some duct tape to hold the kick panel where we'd like to place it. Then, since we're going to carpet over the panel, we grab the carpet piece for the kick panel to see how well it would fit with the panel now in place. Since we have a Super Beetle, the bottom side of the dash sticks down much further than it would in other models, so our carpet piece will cover the entire panel. This isn't always the case in some models, so make sure to check the position of the panel and the carpet piece. Additional yardage of carpet might be needed. Once we're happy with the placement of the panel, we can screw it in place with some self-tapping screws. One at the top near the door jamb, one at the front, and one at the bottom near the door jamb. We note a lip at the back of the panel that will shave down, but first we double check the fitment of our carpet. The panel and speaker are removed, and we'll install some wave breaker foam baffles that will improve the sound of our speakers by eliminating back wave distortion. The peel and stick pads install behind the speakers on the inner fender well. While the panel is removed, we shave down the lip we mentioned earlier with a grinder for a smoother fit. The panel is reinstalled into the fender well, and we'll make sure the speaker wire is accessible before we do. The opposite side panel is installed in the same method. Then, after the front carpet kit is installed, that will be a separate video, we can install our new speakers. We start by cutting the carpet with a razor blade, following the hole in the panel. If you're cutting loop carpet, make sure to cut any loose threads with a pair of scissors to avoid pulling a run. Once the hole is cut, we pull the speaker wire out and crimp on the appropriate size wire terminals for our new speaker. The speaker is set in place on the panel, along with the grill trim ring. Then, using some self-tapping screws, we mount the speaker to the panel. Whenever drilling through carpet, I start the drill in reverse to help avoid snagging. Once all 4 screws are installed, the speaker grill is installed, and once both speakers are in, the speaker kick panel installation is complete. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Click the like button. If you haven't already, click subscribe too. And when you need parts or accessories for your vintage Volkswagen, make sure to click on the link to jbugs.com.